This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. So today we'll understand working on one assignment, and this assignment is all about autocomplete. So on screen we can able to see two autocompletes, and these two autocomplete will be having the same source. Now in the first one, if I start typing anything, then we know whatever the keyword we enter, its related suggestions wherever it might be. So this keyword, it might be in the last or middle, wherever it is, we can able to see all its suggestions. And the second autocomplete is like we are supposed to show the results only if it is starting with this keyword. Now if I start typing this, so it will be checking whether there are anything matching with that keyword only. So first autocomplete is to search for keyword anywhere of that particular result, and the second autocomplete is to search for the results only if it is starting with that. So this will be your assignment, and this will be very simple, and every one of you can give a try. Thank you everyone.